Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the best deck for Arena 5 in Clash Royale. And that deck is this one right here. It is the Hog Rider Cycle. And this one is actually a constant across all the arenas, as it's just too consistent to pass up on. It also has a much higher skill cap than you might think, as it's not easy to defend against large pushes with this deck. You have to learn how to balance the Hog Riders and the towers in, keeping your own alive. So all without, any major high elixir cards to make it easy. And the win con of this deck is the Hog Rider. He only costs 4 elixir and only targets towers. It makes him one of the most straightforward, units of the, you can use. And he also jumps over the river, so he can avoid obstacles and powerful troops or buildings more easily than other ground troops. The Hog Rider is fast and has decent XP, does very high damage per second to towers. He's great without being too flashy, which is one of the reasons he's so consistent throughout the other arenas as well. And the rest of this deck focuses on cycling through cheap cards like the skeletons and bats to get your more valuable defense cards and more Hog Riders. The cannons and knights, they should be able to defend against pretty much any ground threat other than a massive swarm, which Zap can actually help with. Okay, and the mini P.E.K.K.A. Destroys any tank with ease, so he's invaluable in this deck. A deck like this. The other cards just help with the same goals as well, makes it one of the most consistent, more difficult decks to master. If you found this helpful, you appreciate the video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.